already done.
Today we're making a bench. Well, not just today. It took us a whole month. And it was a lot of sawing. A lot. We used red oak, which is one of the hardest.
Cool. Now the fun part. You take this, put it in, and take this one, and you line it up however.
Oh.
So it's this,
Yeah. It should be the thicker line.
the thicker line.
Right here.
Okay. Give it a good old whack.
Oh.
Nice.
No wax paper this time, so we'll just give it a go.
All that is to make it so it doesn't glue to the table.
Wait, do we have wax paper? We used parchment paper last time.
Yes.
Okay.
What do you want me to do?
I mean, any kind of paper, I guess, is good. Thank you.
We nailed the sides together to keep the structural integrity of the bench. For every other joint, we used wood pegs and glue. This way we wouldn't have any visible screws. I really wanted a shelf underneath the bench, so we decided to add this additional 1x2 down the center for support. Oh, thanks for the sunglasses.
Now I can saw away.
Man, let me tell you, this craft saw worked way better than all the other saws we had.
Thank you. That's more than a tad bit.
Yep.
And then it makes like these in it. If I go down and I don't cut it all evenly. This thing was on fire earlier.
Why so?
It's in the sun. Kabam! Yeah, so if I have them all just slightly apart. Or all together.
We built the top of the bench using 4 1x3 boards. This part was really difficult to keep the pegs straight because this is the one part of the bench that needs to be the flattest.
There we go. This made me nervous that one side wasn't going in.
Alright,
Is there any goozing?
just a little bit. Clamp it up.
tricky part was making sure all of the pegs lined up with the holes. You can see my concentration just making sure everything's lined up straight.
I just have to sand it down.
Yep.
Okay. It's a cool tool. Should I do it again? Wow, I love the edge on that. Looks really cool. Yeah. Oh, the more fun part of woodworking.
You mean not
Not
sawing?
sawing. All right.
What next?
Sanding the whole thing. And then polyurethane. And then I can sit on it. Battery.
Well, that's my bench. I hope you join us for our next video.